My lining and DACRON bedding still laying on the table. I will pin them together all around. And carefully put over fabric with the welt facing down. Now I will pin face fabric to lining and DACRON. Remember, earlier I have made small cuts through all 3 layers. And now these cuts will help me assemble bedspreads correctly by combining cuts together. I will pin very few pins on each side, just enough to keep all layers together. And back to the machine to sew all layers together. We will sew from wrong side of face fabric, where we can see seam from welt, and make another seam exactly over that seam, very carefully aligning edges of layers. I will find those small cuts I have made before. You can see one is here and another one is here on top. Put them together and sew. And again, here are our cuts. Combine them and sew. And do this all around 3 sides with the welt. This is really easy and fun. Take out pin, combine cuts and sew. Now at the end, I will sew till the end of welt. Turn bedspread and sew the top. Here is no welt to guide me, so I will use magnet guide to help me make nice and straight seam. You can also mark a guideline with a masking tape if your adjustable guide is not long enough. I will stop here and leave open spot big enough for turning bedspread's right side out later and finish sewing the top. We have sewed all side around, and now I will check to make sure there is no pin left. It won't be much fun at all if I will miss a pin and leave it inside, would it be? Everything is good, there is no pins left, only 2 pins here on the top, but I need them for now. Okay, let's turn it inside out. And now is a very important moment of our project. We need to fix all layers together, so they won't slide against each other chaotically. A little bit of quilting will secure layers just perfectly, plus it will give our bedspread fancier look. I love that. After carefully straightening out all layers on my bedspread, I will secure layers to hold them together by pinning in the places where my quilting points are. I am choosing to outline center of these flowers. They are big enough to give puffy look, and there are plenty of them to secure layers pretty well. Excellent! Now I will secure all layers by pinning them together close to all quilting spots, so none of these layers will slide away while I will do quilting. All layers holding together as one, and we can do final steps of our project. First, I will make a seam on the top of bedspread, about ½ inch from the edge. На машине примерно 1,5 сантиметра от края. Here is our open spot we left for turning bedspread inside out. Just put them together and sew on the top. And lock the seam. Great! Cut threads, and here is nice straight seam, and we are ready to do quilting. Final step of our project. To prepare my machine for quilting, I will lower feed dog teeth. On my machine I can do it moving this switch. Now let's connect this special quilting foot to the machine presser bar. I have here Singer darning quilting foot. Your foot maybe look different, but it will do the job as long as it's for quilting. If you do not have quilting foot, you can buy it from our affiliated link below in description. I'll take off straight stitch foot and replace it with a quilting foot. To attach quilting foot and will make sure that my machine is turned off, I remove presser foot. Loose this screw and remove presser foot holder. Now I can attach quilting foot and will make sure to secure foot with a screw. And machine is ready for quilting. If you cannot find a quilting foot that fits your machine, you may try to quilt without foot. For that, just put your bedspread under the needle, lower the presser bar, hold firmly bedspread and sew. But please be very careful not to sew your fingers. If you are making bedspread from solid color fabric, you can fix layers together by simple tucking them, preferably in some organized looking geometrical pattern. Or even better, draw some shapes like circle with a plain pencil or vanishing fabric marker on the top fabric. Or just sew simple straight lines. I will do stitches around middle part of flowers. Lower quilting foot and start sewing. First, I'll make few stitches to fix thread firmly and sew around. И теперь аккуратно пойдем вокруг контура. Fix thread again, and first flower is done. Quilt looks good, and will hold all layers together. Now I will finish all spots that I've chosen to quilt. And my bedspread is finished. I've cleaned all the threads. This is how it looks from lining side. And beautiful looking bedspread from right side. Please let me know if you like this video and if you are going to make bedspread. Subscribe if you are not yet. Check my other sewing videos. Good luck and have fun with your sewing projects. I'll see you in next videos. Bye bye!